Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to download GTA San Andreas. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download the GTA San Andreas for the paid and official method, you can simply go to your Steam or Rocket Game Launchers. So if you're using your Steam account, then simply go to store.steampower.com and search for GTA San Andreas. Once you search for it, you can simply purchase and download the game via the Steam client. So once you have done this, you can simply select which version you want to download, that is particularly GTA San Andreas. And once you have done this, you can simply tap on in cart. After tapping on in cart, you will be leaded or you will be in this kind of interface where you can simply tap on purchase for myself. Once you have tapped on purchase for myself, simply select a payment method for the payment procedure. And once you have done this as well, you will be able to simply purchase your GTA San Andreas. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and we will be back again really soon. Thank you.